Hello everyone, and let's continue our exploration of how to achieve perfect marks for section B of paper 1 of the AS exam series for AQA A English Literature. We've already gone through the mark scheme and how you should be structuring your response. Let's think about our planning. So here's the question. Explore the notion that in this poem Blake presents love and religion as completely different. So again, you go through the planning which we are talking about previously. Here is my point. So again, if you're not sure how you should plan and this just looks slightly alien to you, go back to the previous video to make sure you understand what you should be doing. So I've read through the poem and I've created my debate to answer my question. Love and religion are not completely different in its original sense, but man has corrupted the original message. So that's my argument. I need to run all the way through my essay. I need to explore how form, structure and language can justify that for me. So form, we can see here the use of the first person creates a more immediate experience for the reader in order to highlight the innocence which is deemed corrupted by the sights witnessed. There's the context I'm going to include. I'm also going to therefore explore the symbol, the formatic symbol of the chapel and religion. Then I'll look at structure, and I'm going to go and focus in on the shift from the utopia, which was created by God, to the dystopia, which is a reference to man's industrialization, so that's the context. Structure, I'm also going to look at the repetition of and that will reinforce the list of negatives in relation to the corruption, going back to support my argument. Then I'm going to look at language. I'm going to talk about the adjective black. I'm going to talk about the verb filled and how, once again, that will support what I'm trying to say. And if I'm covering all those things, you can hear I'm covering my mark scheme, proofread my response, and then I know I'm ready to create my response. So what will the final piece look like? Well, let's make sure we're looking at the last video in this series so we understand exactly how it should be presented to an examiner. Thank you. I look forward to you taking part in the next video.